Check out carmarshal.com. The link is in the description. They help support us.
Good morning, America, and especially my watchers. I hope your Sunday is very beautiful. Today, I'm going to talk about my opinion on the federal violations by a judge, Lee Fizzel Hayes of Charlotte County, Florida. Lee Fizzel Hayes is violating federal law of double jeopardy. Okay, and she's doing this under Florida Supreme Court, State versus Johnson at 676 SO2D 408 1996. It says in that case law, it says that no case of double jeopardy to a injunction against stalking should be heard using the same evidence under the same charges. This is backed up by Blockberger versus United States of America, 284 U.S. 29952, Supreme Court, 180 76 Law Edition, 3061 1932. And this is backed up by the same element test of double jeopardy. The same element test of double jeopardy under Dixon 5.9 United States at 1135 Supreme Court at 2857. Okay. I put in 3 motions for rehearing due to the double jeopardy. She's refusing it. So under a keynote by the Supreme Court of the United States of America, it says to file a motion to dismiss under double jeopardy clause. And I got to use merit under United States Supreme Court where a judge violates federal law violation. And then if she don't do it, I can move it to the Supreme Court for a violation of constitutional rights. This is a grave injustice by our judges, by one judge in particular, Lee Fizzel Hayes of Punta Gorda, Florida. It's a grave fundamental violation to which she swore her oath to protect. And I plan on making her keep that oath. Thank you and have a good day.
Hey, Sheriff, we have a question about why your office, your intelligence division, is investigating private citizens for criminal investigation that happen to be activists that are overseeing your department. Why would you have your intelligence division investigate private citizens? We have done... for life hating so much. Sir, we don't hate anyone. We love freedom and we love American people. and government is out of control. That's why you're seeing such a revolt nationwide. Why can't you just answer, why is Susan Edwards, your intelligence division, investigating private citizens? This should not happen.
Are you here to apply for a job?
Possibly I might be applying for a job, but that's irrelevant to my question. Why would you ask that question?
Well, enjoy the fair.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Excuse you?
Excuse me, sir.
So those of you that haven't
Wow.
been on a bike before, we're
Sheriff's getting a little too pushy. You work for us, Sheriff. Just keep that in mind. At one time we respected you, but not with that type of attitude.
County. This is Sheriff County COPWATCH, and I wanted to explain what fair use is. You can use pieces of news articles if you're doing it for news reporting, you have commentary, and you're doing it for education purposes. So that's what fair use is, as you can see right here. Another reason why I wanted to make this video is to let you know I have just joined with Patreon. A nice thing with Patreon, I make no money on YouTube. They took the money away years ago, and so this is another way to give, and it's a nice thing too because you can give monthly. You can give $1, $5, $10, whatever. I do 4 to 5 hours a day on trying to wake the sheeple up on how corrupt it is and different ways that you can fight the corruption. So Patreon is a way that you can do it, and then of course the old way is still there. Donate to Sheriff County COPWATCH with PayPal or credit card. So keep that in mind. 4 to 5 hours a day. I make no money, but the corruption happened to me and I'm sick of it, so I'm trying to wake people up. But my wife would love it if if we could get some help out there. There's 47,000 subscribers. Just think if each one of you subscribers just gave let's say actually yes, $1 a month. 47,000 subscribers gave $1 a month. That would be awesome. That's not going to happen. But anyways, that would be great if it did happen. But do the math in your head. Just think about it. Like I said, 4 to 5 hours a day. I get no money from YouTube. YouTube has gone nuts. You can't do anything anymore. They're taking the money away everywhere. So these are a couple different ways that you can still help out with all this time that I put in. And as you know, I'm in a special situation where at least I can do it. 4 to 5 hours a day. We have a cleaning company during the day. That's what allows me to do this, and we're debt free. So this is my hobby. I don't go fishing and all that other crap. I try to save the world. So help me out to make the wife happy, man. In fact, if you guys did give $1 a day, and there was 47,000 of you, and you did it, and each of you gave $1, and that was every month, oh my God, yes, I could quit. I could start suing them. Another idea too that we have is, you know, if I got, you know, some funds, we could actually contact everyone that has been ticketed and or arrested and put in jail and start sending them postcards to let them know we're here, and to see if everything went all right, and if it didn't, find out their story. So we could even do more investigations and more lawsuits. Lawsuits take money. So just think about that. You know, 47,000 of you so far right now. You know, $1 a day. I mean, $1 a month on Patreon, or $5 a month Patreon, 10, 20, whatever. Just do the math in your head. Help out. This is a lot of work every single day. Thanks.